In this video, we're looking at the Realme Buds Air Neo, the new Realme Power Bank 2, and a Realme backpack? So, cat's out of the literal bag. Hello, you beautiful people! Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. This video is pretty interesting because we're looking at what Realme cooked up for us, and I'm not talking about phones. Quick recap, if you don't know who Realme is, they're basically one of the fastest growing smartphone brands right now. Realme offers power pack devices with very affordable price tags. Known for their budget and mid-range devices that offer awesome gaming experience and capable cameras at a fraction of what other phones would sell for, Realme has now also started dipping its toes into the flagship category. But that's for later. In this video, like I said, we're not talking about phones. We're talking about new accessories that Realme has unveiled to sort of build the whole ecosystem or the whole lifestyle that Realme has been touting. We start with the Realme Buds Air Neo. These aren't their very first truly wireless buds. This follows the Realme Buds Air, but these buds promise the same amazing experience at a lower price point. Let's unbox this. Yeah, I really have to commend Realme for picking this yellow. I swear, every time we have something that's Realme on this channel, like that yellow just makes it pop. So at the back, it says super low latency, powerful R1 chip, Bluetooth 5.0, dynamic bass boost, large driver, smart touch controls and voice assistant, auto connection, and all-day battery life. Let's open this up. Oh, wow. So we have the buds, but let's check what else is in here first. Instructions, micro USB cord, and a start guide. Let's move on to these buds. Oh. So as you can see, there is a button over there, and then at the back it says designed by Realme. At the bottom, micro USB port. And these are the buds. Some noteworthy things about these buds. First of all, it's so easy to pair with Google Fast Pair. Basically, it's plug and play. Secondly, there is a super low latency mode that you activate by tapping both sides of the buds, and this is supposedly the best way to use these buds for gaming and watching your shows. And thirdly, connecting it with the Realme Link app will allow you to change the controls on each specific bud. Another thing that they have, of course, is the Realme Power Bank. 10,000 milliamp hours. Right. It says here there is an 18-watt maximum quick charge for multi-devices, low current mode for AIoT, Type-C, 12 layers of circuit protection, dual outputs simultaneously, and high-density lithium polymer batteries. Actually, really cute. So that is some paperwork, and then this is nice. So this power bank has an adapter, so it's a micro USB and a USB-C. So this thing honestly looks really nice, and that texture though, it's also pretty thin. Up top you have two ports, a USB and a USB-C, and the power button. Last but not the least, the all-new Realme backpack. Right, so hi guys. So first off, please don't judge what I'm wearing. And secondly, I have the Realme bag on. That looks nice, yeah? I bet this goes with like a lot of outfits. Like, it's not too sporty, so you can wear it if, let's say, you're wearing slacks or something. And because it has a 35-liter capacity, I feel like you're gonna be able to put a lot of things in here. Personally, this is a bag that I would actually really use, and I have like very steep standards when it comes to bags. So first, it does not look cheap. Like, that material apparently is water repellent. Okay, so I have a Discord channel, and basically the guys on that channel dared me to throw water on this backpack when I told them that I had this new cool bag and that it was water repellent. So I'm doing that. Sorry, REALME. Okay, I didn't ruin the bag. Good job, REALME. And then another thing that I like is that it's not screaming whatever brand it is. For example, they have the Dare to Leap branding on here, but that's it. And then when you open these straps, there's this yellow drawstring, and I like that. Very classy, very subtle. This thing is also very spacious. I mean, it's a 35-liter bag, so you can put a lot of things in here. Zipper here at the back opens up, and then you can get your laptop. So that laptop cover can open on the side too. And another thing that I super love that not a lot of bags have, they have this strap for when you put the bag on luggage. I see you, REALME. I see you pivoting your brand into a whole lifestyle. And that's today's REALME haul. And every single one of these items retail for below 2,000 pesos. Honestly, I'm amazed at how cheap this backpack is, considering, like, it's nice. Right, that's it for today's video. Let me know what your questions are down below. If you want to see how I use this tech on a daily basis, you can find me on social media. That's @CisaSaid. Bye!